Good morning, everybody, to the Boss Show, where I talk about price action, no PS, and directly to the information. And today I have you the price action for Ehang and exactly what the price actually been predicted in the video before. I predicted at the precise level. The last video you can check it because I said about the double bottom. Now we gonna touch the bottom again. There is important level we should look for today trading, because if we broke excuse me if we broke this level, we have a big trend reversal, or we going more deeper down. So let's go to the straight to the chart and see what's gonna happen. So look with me, guys. The last video I talked about, it was crazy because I said in the previous video, if we actually have a price to explode from my triangle here, and we have a candle to actually finish here, the price will explode up, but it happened the opposite what I said, and the price actually go down, and we have double bottom. Then I said if the price went here, see what's happened, guys. We have a touch on the exponential moving average, and the smart money actually bought all that 13% really up. Like that's why we see the spike here in this candle. And now what we see again, the price is going down, and we touch the previous bottom. Now this is really important level here at 40. So what's my price prediction? Actually, guys, we're gonna see the price will go here before we actually go and touch the last resistance here. So this is really important, guys. This level we see here is really important at 40. If we break this level, if we broke this level after 40, 38, there's high percentage that we going down from here. If we actually break this level exactly here at 37, there's high percentage that we actually go at this level before we actually touch again and confirm this support to become our resistance. This depends on this level first. If we actually don't break this, we're gonna have a big bounce back to touch and retest this resistance level. Like I said, guys, I told you in the previous video, we have really, this is like the price value here for Ehang to actually surpass this level. Because if we didn't, look with me, guys, it's a really important level now. We have to touch this price at 40, or we see at the beginning of this, before the market open, it's really important. If we don't have another price to actually move and retest this price, because we actually respected this value before when we actually have a bull run, this was the support. Now it became the resistance. The price actually never passed this. Now if we want a price confirmation for a reversal for a downtrend, we have to overcome the 65 price and this price. And if we get over this price, the price will actually go to retouch the 95 level. This is really important level, guys. This is really important level before, because after, if we get this price level, there's high percentage actually we go back to touch this level again before we actually break this level. So like this, yeah. Yes. Okay. So guys, really important here. If we actually first we have to touch here and we confirm another confirmation to test this price. If we actually get rebound, we actually go back and we actually go over this, and we have to first we have the first resistance here. If we go past this resistance, we got another resistance. There's high probability that we actually retrace back before we actually broke this resistance again. So guys, trade carefully, never FOMO, always, always, always get in the market with the precise price in mind. Never be biased, because everybody, when they bought a stock, they feel like they never actually use their subjunctive thinking and be biased because they actually own the stock and they want it to go up. Of course, this is like psychological thinking. Everybody wants to have their stock going up, but you have to be subjunctive and never be biased. In stock market, when you trade, never actually be emotional. Never. That's what I teach here in my channel. Never, never be actually FOMOing and never actually use your subjective thinking. And guys, if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do like every day updates about penny stock, Ehang daily, before the market open and before after the market close. So stay tuned every day, each day. I will do the video update and I will keep you guys posted. And thank you, God, for watching, and see you in the next video.